as content creators and more than all of us who make video type content. We know that the editing phase is one of the longest and most tedious in the entire process of creating a video. And that's without counting the number of hours we spend learning how to use this editing software. And as you well know, this channel is looking for artificial intelligence tools that can make our lives easier. For this reason, I have proposed to investigate many editing tools that use artificial intelligence to eliminate dead times and insert effects that maintain the retention of these videos, just as someone who is dedicated to editing work would do manually. Within all the tools that I was evaluating, I found one that stands out for the number of functions it has and the easy handling of its interface. This tool is called Wisecut. Wisecut is an online editing software that uses artificial intelligence and speech recognition to emphasize certain shots within our video, changing the framing within certain shots, and eliminating dead time within our video. Also, we have a storyboard where we can edit the video. In the event that artificial intelligence makes a mistake within the addition of this, Wisecut can be used for free, but with certain limitations. They will only give you 45 minutes of editing per month, so it is a good way for you to test this tool with your videos. It should be noted that this is not a Boy Scout paid advertising. I simply chose it because I saw that it was one of the best options within all these video editing tools using artificial intelligence. So if you have other options which you may have already been using, you could leave it in the comments so that many people take it into account when editing their videos. But, well, without much further ado, let's go to the computer. The first thing we are going to do is go to Google and look for Wisecut. We click on the first result, and we click on Get Started for Free and create an account. Now we click on Create. Now we proceed to log in, and that's it. Now we create a new project. It should be noted that I have created a script with a random theme. Here you can see it, in which I am only going to limit myself to reading it so as not to have many shots within my video in order to facilitate the editing process for this artificial intelligence tool. Now we proceed to upload our video, and we click on Upload a File. We expect 100% to arrive. Now I give it the following name project. I put Kittens, video language in Spanish. We are going to leave a soft cut, selected automatically cut silence, automatic music. We also leave the auto duck activated, which will regulate the volume of the music when we speak, and we also leave the auto punch in out to be able to zoom in. When we change a plane or make a cut, we will also insert subtitles to our video, and we are going to create a project for it. Now we just have to wait for Wisecut to work on our project, and once it's ready, it will notify us via email. So we'll be back in a bit to see the results. I received the notification to my email that the video is ready, so I'm going to go to Wisecut, and here I can see the video. They removed 5 seconds of silence, created 3 cuts for us, and created them 70 lines of subtitles, added music to it, and improved the audio a bit. So let's check it out, everyone, and welcome to this video. If you are a cat lover, you surely know how adorable they can be. And in this video, I will teach you everything you need to know about kittens and how to take care of it and what to do if you have one at home. But what are kittens? Well, they are basically cat puppies, and they are one of the most popular animals on the entire internet. There are many breeds of different types and appearance. Kittens can be very playful and curious, but they also need a lot of love and attention. How to take care of a kitten if you have one at home? It is important to know how to properly care for it. You must first have everything you need, like food, water, litter boxes, and toys. Kittens also need regular vet visits and vaccinations to stay in good health. But what to do if you find an abandoned kitten? Well, if you find a kitten, no, the important thing is to act quickly. Make sure it is safe and receives the necessary attention. If you can't find the owner, you might as well take it to an animal shelter. Finally, some curiosities about kittens. Did you know that kittens have a better hearing and visual capacity than humans? They can also jump 6 times their length and have the ability to clean themselves with their rough tongue. In conclusion, this is all the information I can give you about kittens. I hope this video has been useful to you, and don't forget to subscribe and leave me your like. As you can see, the editing wasn't too bad. The truth is that it is very useful if our content is of the video blog type. However, when it comes to subtitles, it is not entirely good. There have been many errors, but I can edit it. I just go to the project, and here I can see on the storyboard all the subtitles that were created, and I can modify them according to my convenience. We also have translations. We have 5 languages available. Also the music. If you didn't like the one he put in the background, you could change for another. It should be noted that they are all copyright free, so there would be no problem. You can also go to the settings part to remove an option or activate one that you have forgotten in the previous steps, and then you can update your video again when you make all the corrections. And highlight that we can only export in HD since we are using the free plan. And finally, when we have everything ready, we just click on Export Video. I hope that you have been able to learn something new with this video and that you can apply what you have learned in your next projects. Remember that in this channel we are always looking for new ways to use artificial intelligence so that we can do the tasks of our daily life more easily. So I invite you to subscribe to this channel so you can discover new artificial intelligence tools that you could apply in your project. And don't forget to leave me your like so that I can continue bringing content of that style, and thus you would be supporting this channel and that many more people can see this video. And well, before I go, I would like to recommend another video that I made in which I show you how to translate and dub your videos into another language using artificial intelligence voices. I'll be leaving it here, and with me it will be until a next video.